Inheritance is a process of creating a new class from an existing class. So the new class that we are going to create will be called as a child class or derived class. And the existing class from where we have created another class is known as your parent class or base class. So one of the best part of this inheritance is we are trying to implement the concept of reusability, which means because already we created one class with set of variables and methods inside them. So if we are trying to create one more new class where I may require some methods or some all methods of existing class, then rather than creating a separate class without having any relationship with the existing one, I can create a relationship with the help of inheritance so that I need not redefine everything that is there in the existing class. So the derived class is going to take up all the members of the base class, and apart from this, it can also add some new functionalities to it. So you have created one class by taking all the members of the existing class and added some new members as per your requirement. So the one term, like I said, it is going to define inheritance is nothing but the concept of reusability, because already you have one class existing with certain methods. So you need not repeat them, as a result of which your program size is going to be decreased because you are not repeating the same thing which is already available in the existing class for your parent class. Now in Python, there are 5 types of inheritances: your single inheritance, your multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical, and your hybrid inheritance.